Do not try this at home. We are with a professional. Okay? So, we're going to teach you how to do the pedigree. The pedigree is from Triple H, and it looks like this. Okay. Yeah, kind of like that, okay? So, how you're going to do this move is the person is going to be in front of you and you're going to kick him in the gut. You're not going to actually kick him because that'll hurt him. Then you're going to put his head over here, above your knees, like 1.5 inches above your knees, like this, like so. Then you're going to grab his arm like this, okay? Then you're both going to go down and you're both going to go up and you're going to fall, and when you're going to fall, you let his arms go. His arms go. So, like this. Okay? That's how you do the move. And if the move is well done, here's how it would look. Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and rate.